Room 4C has a key which opens the front and back doors as well as this room, but no other room in the building. This is the room with double bed in it, and we've got the curtains shut to show that, and the blind to show there's also a chain on the door. There's a ceiling fan for cooling, and we also have the ability to control the temperature of the gas space heating in each of the rooms, so that by pushing this on, we're in room 4, the heating will start warming up and the temperature will warm up to the temperature which you desire. And at the moment it's showing it's 15 degrees in here, and the desired temperature has been set at a rather high level. Let's reduce it down to what it should be, which should be at 21. So the temperature now is set at 21, but currently it's 15 degrees in here, and because of that it's going to warm up the room. Now what's going to happen is the heat is going to come in the room through this vent in the ceiling. In the summertime, the whole of the house is cooled using evaporative cooling, and that is the most economical way of cooling the summertime. And wintertime, we're using gas space heating. Gas is 2 to 3 times cheaper than electricity for heating. Now in terms of internet, the room has got a connection for RJ45 or Ethernet in this particular room. There's a towel rack, and we see here the drawstring for the curtains. And we pull the curtains back and we'll see that there's a Holland blind, and then over here at the other extreme there's actually the controls for the Holland blind, and so we pull it up and we can see in fact it is it's actually 10 o'clock in the daytime, so there's actually no need for lights on in the daytime, but we can see that we get total darkness at night. In the day, if we need to sleep because of commitments at night. Now, the wardrobe is spacious, and here you get 2 sets of linen if you want us to provide it, otherwise you can provide it yourself. And we now go and look at the rest of the house. In this passageway here there's a repeater for the Wi-Fi system, and we go now into the bathroom, and the bathroom has got a door shower enclosure. It's a gas hot water system. We now come into the dining room area, and this is the kitchen with a gas stove, an oven and microwave. And here on the stove we can see that there's lighting by the stove, and we also got a vent to take away any cooking fumes. Here's the laundry for the washing machine and ironing board. We then go into the lounge room, where we can see here the NBN system. We've got a smart TV which can take aerial terrestrial television broadcast. Also it can take internet because it's a smart TV. The house has also got a phone where you can ring anywhere in Australia at no cost because of the contract that we've got. The rooms, the blinds here are of 2 kinds. The the moment we've got the shim down, but also we can have total darkness. And this is the control for the gas-based heating in the lounge room. So this is unit 4, room 4C.